guys, it's me Christian, and it's been a while since I've done a video. It was like 4 weeks ago, which is kind of a while, but I mean it's whatever. But anyway, so I actually do have two packs. With this first one from Mandarake, and it's such a lovely doll. Like, I'm very happy to get this doll. It's a very big box. I don't know why. Let me just take this off really quick. I don't understand why the box is very ginormous, considering, well, I'm pretty sure the doll's not even that big. Like, I don't know, but yeah. But it's really big for some reason, which I was really surprised when I saw it. I was like, whoa. But I mean, it's whatever. So I have my knife with me, and of course, I'm gonna be just stabbing it open. Of course, I'm gonna be careful though. I still have the doll with me, but like, that was such a big box, like, for such a tiny, well, not tiny, but like, it's considerably smaller. But I mean, oh my god, I'm very excited. So I've been wanting one of these dolls for a very long time. Well, let me just say, I've been wanting a Petworks doll for so long, like, many years, ever since I saw them back in 2020. Oh god. Wait, oh, okay, wait. This is, I don't know, whatever, but like, look. He's gonna come out, he's gonna come out, he's gonna come out. No puedes, no puedes. But oh my god, look at him. He's really cute. So this is a Petworks doll division something rabbit. I don't know. He's really cute. Like, look at his face. So basically, the reason why I got him, but anyway, so basically the reason why I got him was because, like, I thought he kind of looked like me. Now that I'm realizing he doesn't really, well, anyway, I don't know, because I thought it was cool. Like, he has curly hair. I have curly hair, even though mine's very short now. But I mean, like, when it's longer, it kind of gets like this, you know? And he's, but yeah, I don't know, he's like very pale compared to me. Well, I'm not that dark, but like, but I mean, it's whatever. It doesn't, you know. I still love him though. He's like so cute. So let me like show him. Oh, the back of the box. Nothing really that special. This is a sticker. I think it's like a sticker they just put on. But let me just open it. Oh my god. Okay, so so they actually come naked. Very interesting. So here he is. Oh look, these are really cool. I like love the boy ones. They're like really cool. I actually do have a Momoko. Let me show. So here's my Momoko doll. She's really pretty. I'm not sure which one she is. I got her like a while ago. She was like naked. She was like cheap. So yeah. She's wearing some Barbie pants from this fashion fever doll, I believe. And she's wearing a witch Tarani top. I'm not sure which Tarani, but the Giochi ones. But yeah, I think it's really interesting. So first it comes with this little oh, it's a little pamphlet. Okay, let me show. So here's, oh, this is to make your own clothes, I assume. And then here it shows the other ones. So this is the, I don't know what you call the boy ones, really. But yeah, this is, Ruko, I think. I think this is Ruko dolls. I'm not sure. Then there's the Momoko. Yeah, really cute. I might hang this up. It's really cool. I like this. Wait, oh, wait. Let me flip it. I've seen these too. So this is, yeah, I've seen these ones before. These ones are kind of cute, but I don't know. It seems kind of expensive a bit. I don't, oh yeah, it is Ruko, but yeah. I've seen these two, Usagi, Odeko-chan, and Nikki. I've seen these two. I've never seen Mini Miyami though. It's really interesting. But this is really cool. So here he is in this little bag thingy. It's so funny. His feet are off. I'm like, interesting. So let me get him dressed. Oh look, so his hands and his feet come in this little baggie. And he also has these really cool shoes. Let me take them out. They're like these Converse type shoes. Really cool. Show them later. And here's his little jumpsuit outfit. It says Petworks 2023. I don't know what this says, but really cool. But one thing I want to show really cool, like, look at these back muscles. Like, they're really cool. Like, oh my god, these are like really buff figures, or dolls, I guess. But one thing I don't like is like his hair feels very coarse. Which, I mean, I guess it's okay since it's like very small, but I don't know. It doesn't feel like higher quality dolls, like, because I believe these use saran. I know a lot of Japanese dolls use saran, but I'm not sure what really hair this is. But I don't know. It doesn't feel as high quality, but I mean, it's whatever, really. But yeah, look at his face. Well, let me show. I actually really like his face. He's like really cute. So here's his little jumpsuit. It comes very nicely folded. So let me put that on him. Actually, I want to show this, like, this is actually really high quality. So it's a zipper, a very tiny zipper, actually. That's really cool. Actually, one thing I want to like show before I get him dressed, like, I want to show a bit of a comparison with Obitsu, I mean. And the Petworks, like, this is really interesting. I like the Petworks body a bit more. It's like a bit more detailed rather than the Obitsu. This is actually a Noix de Rome. Is it French? I don't know. Noix de Rome. I don't know how to say it, but a Noix de Rome head on the Obitsu body. Yeah. I don't know. I just want to give a bit of comparison with them. Look at their faces again, like. So here's my little Petwork doll all dressed up. He's really cool. One thing I think is really interesting. So you see his hands? They're like really bony. Like, wow, look at that. I like the sculpt they did it. Here's his toes if you want to see his toes. Very detailed, wow. Like, look at this. Like, there's a lot of detail in sculpting, I guess we could say, that goes on to this. Let me show. Like, wow, look at the toes. It's weird to say, but yeah, look at his hands too. They're like really well detailed. Here's his little Converse type shoes. I don't know if I want to put them on him because the feet do pop off and I do not want to get them stuck. Really cool. But yeah, look at his face. He's really cool. He kind of does look like me, except a lot more pale and purple eyes, or pink eyes, I should say. But I mean, it's whatever. He's really cool. Here's my next package. They literally shipped it in a tissue box, which is like hashtag save the earth, hashtag save the earth. But let me unbox this really quick. So this one is actually another Japanese doll. I got this one on Mercari, actually. I'm really into like Japanese like dolls, like I don't know. I'm just like really into Japanese dolls, and that's like my obsession right now. Which also explains the Noix de Rome, which I already showed him. He looks a little funny looking, but I mean, I love him still. I don't know if you can see him, but yeah. This one's a Lost Angels doll, which here she is. And here she is. I don't know if I like want to show the nudity. I don't know if like YouTube's gonna be like, oh, I mean, whatever. But I mean, like, look how pretty she is. She's so pretty. She's like so cute. She's a Volks Lost Angels doll. And she's, oh, I don't care. Well, actually, I don't know. Yeah, she also came with, this stuff. I think it's like extra feet or hands, I think. I don't really remember. Oh yeah, it's feet for some reason. She comes with like extra feet, which she already has feet on though. So it's like, I don't understand the point, but well, I don't know. Here's a bit of a close-up on her face. It's really pretty, I like it. She has this really nice crimped hair, blonde hair with these bangs. Very cute. It's a bit annoying, but her body's a little wobbly, but I mean, it's whatever really. Like, she could do the Running Man challenge. Yeah, I couldn't stand her being naked any longer, so I put her in this little Jenny fashion thingy. I believe it's Jenny, but like, she's about the same size as Momoko. Like, yeah, pretty much the same size. They're both really pretty. I like love these girls. But yeah, she's like really cute. She has a lot of articulation. The seller did say that's a bit wobbly, and stuff. I mean, it's whatever really. It's mostly just her legs that feel wobbly. But I mean, it's okay. She's like really cute. Like, look at that. She's like, hi, my name is, what should her name be? Okay, so I have a backstory for her now. So basically, she's like, hi, I'm Lucille. Oh, what's a French accent? I am from France. I'm an exchange student here at this high school. Okay, so she's like the French high school exchange student who comes to Japan because like, I don't know. And these are all her buddies and stuff like that. They're like, oh, of course we're gonna welcome you. What her name her again? I don't know. I forgot her name, but like, I don't know. That's just it. Yeah, I don't know. I'm awkward like that. But anyway, do you guys like them? I think they're really cool, especially, well, I think they're both amazing. I do love the way her hands are posed, and I think he's a really handsome doll, but yeah. Bye for now.